This is about how to tackle OET reading Part A. There's 4 text boxes, 20 questions and 15 minutes to complete the task. Text box A in this particular exercise is all about pneumonia in children. Text box A gives you some information about infants and older children. Text box B is about investigating pneumonia in children. Text box C, antibiotic management. It's a flowchart. And text box D is about the general management of pneumonia in children in the community and in hospital. Here's the questions. If you do the middle section of the questions first, you should be able to complete this whole thing in 15 minutes. The answer to the first question can be seen in text box C. The answer is benzyl penicillin. Question 8. An infant who is still accepting something is more likely to have mild or moderate. Go back to text box A, mild to moderate, and it says if the infant is taking full feeds. That's another word for accepting. So the answer is full feeds. Number 9, if your patient is not improved. Whoops, that's not the right one. Wait a minute, we'll wait till the next. Here we go. If the patient is not improved after 1 to 2 days, the child may have what? There it is, bottom of the text box C. Many children have a viral infection. Next question. Number 10. Vancomycin can be given if you think your patient has. Back to text box C. Severe pneumonia. Consider the addition of that if MRSA is suspected. So the answer is MRSA. Number 11. If your patient has improved after 1 to 2 days, what can you do? Go back to this flow chart. Re-evaluate the child 1 to 2 days. Yes, you de-escalate empiric treatment. And 12, when you check a patient's progress, there's the word check. The thing that you need, the answer is causative organism. A causative organism has been identified. So, as you can see, if you do these 7 questions, 7 to 12, first, you'll have a good idea of what's going on. You can call me, email me or WhatsApp me for more information. Good luck.